Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about the BAF strategy, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
So this is the study I did. I don't remember when this was. I think it was in late 2021. And so what I did was I just took some out of the money flies of different widths and I measured at the center strike of the fly at different times at every half hour, from 9:30 in the morning to 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And then I also plotted the relative return on the amount relative to the amount that I invested in each fly. And you can see as you go wider and wider, the rate of return gets bigger. So you can also see the curve tends to get steeper. So the rate of growth as you get wider and wider, and of course I don't even go out to 50, so it's probably even more exaggerated. It's a completely different dynamic than the narrower flies that we use. What I found is that for this reason, the risk is diminished significantly when trading that big ass fly. And it's a good trade, works, even when I'm not paying attention. Although there's been many times where I haven't paid attention. Most of the time it's worked out for me. There have been 2 times when it hasn't, when I lost. And I could have stopped out if I was paying attention, but I didn't. And I achieved a full loss on those 2 times. And while it was a relatively large loss, it was still well within my risk parameters. But the wins that I've had clearly outshine the losses by a huge margin. Now, the only caveat I would say to this is that some people that are new to options trading and when trying to chase a price and trying to get out of a trade will tend to try to get an exacting price. They'll put a limit price right at whatever the mid price is, and then they'll miss, and it'll keep on going down. They'll try it again, and they'll miss, and they'll keep on going down, and they'll miss. And they end up with a really large loss when they could have gotten out with something much less. So that takes a little bit of experience in that you shouldn't be doing that. You shouldn't be trying to optimize how much you're going to lose. You should pick an amount, you see it coming down, make sure that you're well in front of it to ensure that you get out of the trade. You'll lose a little bit more than what you would like, but a lot less than what you will likely get if you try to be too cute.
Yeah, I get the picture.
And they say, don't try to catch a falling knife.
I've done that so many times and basically that and revenge trading. And fortunately, I don't do that anymore.
No, it's just better just to take your licks and have some humility. Say, look, it was a bad trade or whatever, or this is a losing trade. I just want to get out. Take a little bit more than you think that you want, and you will get out and you'll be happy and you'll be done. And you come back and you live to fight another day. Our risks are already small enough that that shouldn't hurt you. If you treat the trading that way with more respect and just take your licks and get out, in the same way when you're taking profit, instead of trying to, on the other end, trying to be too greedy. You hit your tolerance, don't overthink it, just get out and don't look back. If the trade then turns around and turns into a pin trade you could have been in, you shouldn't be even thinking about it. It doesn't bother me at all. I just get out and just move on. That'll be a far more profitable attitude. We all screw up when we're trying to optimize our returns.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.